Oh
my
my
God.
I
This is what
know.
I am
You know what
saying.
it's time for?
It's not how that works.
It is how it
Stab me up.
It's
Stab me up.
blasphemy.
Stab me up.
I did not know you just
Oh
your
my
hands.
wouldn't
God.
know.
What? Oh, good.
Yes, sir.
What is up with your head?
me up.
What is
you
happening
talking
here? What is happening
Nothing.
here?
Oh, yeah. You have
Nothing.
Nothing.
I don't know what you're
Why
talking
can you
about.
do it like she
Nothing.
can do it?
What did you do with the
Right.
hammer?
Huh?
Where did you put it?
Meet my
Like,
Oh,
Why
no.
is she
When
better?
it's-
Serious.
when it's a
five.
white guy to
What?
white
Did
girl.
you
Oh,
drop
I gave it to an
it?
e-girl.
I just started playing this the game today.
Oh,
I
you
played
do
it
have the
before,
hammer,
but it's been years.
I can tell by your level. Welcome to
Yeah.
Rec Room, actually. If nobody introduced
Yo, there's
you.
a lot of predators on here. Be careful.
I know. I've been on VR chat. I am an
Oh, my
average
girlfriend
VR
is
chat
texting me.
player.
I don't touch VR chat. That place is chaos.
Okay, so
It's
they're
the
doing.
I
same
touch
as
VR
Rec
chat
Room.
because I crash
I
games.
know,
and
but
it's
at least
funny.
with Rec Room, it's a little bit more protected.
I stay away
Yeah.
from it. Sure, that shit scares
I'm
me.
still getting used to it.
Do you like to crash
I already
kids
sound
on
like a
VR
grown
chat?
ass man. I don't even like this.
But yeah, like welcome to Rec Room, though. I hope you're having a good time.
Would you believe I'm not a
Yeah,
grown
I
ass
am.
man?
I was originally gonna play with my girlfriend because she's been nagging me to play, and then when I finally get
Wow.
upset, she's
Oh,
like,
never mind. You're
"I have to do stuff," so I've just been sitting here.
sorry.
Well, I hope you make lots of friends here.
I can be your friend.
I don't. Your first impression wasn't really the best. You ran around hitting me with a hammer.
It was funny.
I gave the pumpkin your hammer.
Oh, of course, yeah. What is he gonna, dude?
Because you're
I
scared.
don't know. It's gonna probably.
They're gonna cause
What the
mass
fuck am I
destruction
supposed
with
to
that
do,
hammer.
You shouldn't have given it.
You need to bury it. You should give me.
Where did you
Yeah.
get the battery? Hold on. Where did you get
well,
Me
that?
with
Duracell.
Why do you have a
hammer.
Duracell
I don't
battery?
even. I don't even know.
Okay.
But where am I supposed to put this battery?
Oh, here, wait, give it to me. I actually know.
Huh?
May I friend you,
No.
by the way?
Dude, you threw
Yeah.
the hammer.
Oh, I know how to do it. It's been
Where's
like a while though.
Where's the hammer?
I'm
You
a
put your
black
hand in
nigga.
Throw the hammer.
I'm a
Where the
black
heck?
nigga. Oh, over here in the corner.
Oh, what? No, we didn't.
Oh, it's kind of gone now. Cause I
Yeah,
blew
it's
it.
kind of gone. Yeah,
now.
it's kind of gone.
Yeah, it's kind of gone.
You shouldn't
That's
have
my
done
fault,
that.
There you go.
though. My fault, gang.
Nice
fault,
to have a
gang.
new face.
Spin on that thing.
Mm.
Dude, give me that Duracell battery.
Hello?
Hello?
He just hawked this guy. I found it.
Excuse
This is the hawk
Talk
tool.
to it on that thing.
We need to take you in for
This guy-
some questions.
no, Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Martinez.
Yes, sir. What seems to be the problem?
Hey, Sir Jarrett. This seems to be the Hawk to a Corp.
How to a core.
I will say this though. So, I don't know if this is a common thing on Rec Room, but I am a D&D system, so just letting you know. So, nothing weird. Like, I don't know.
There are consequences to saying the N-word.
You're
And
good.
then
don't
everybody,
worry.
of course, as soon as I said it, everybody starts coming over here to investigate.
The second
Yo,
there's
we're-
more
we're
than three
listening,
people,
we're
everyone starts
invested.
crowding, so don't worry about it.
Greetings, Huz.
Salutations, Huz.
Hello, Jack Metoff, who is level 20.
Hello, fine shit.
Seriously, with this.
Hello, fine shite. Here, I got you a little something.
Oh, you just got. Oh, wow. You got a sugar daddy on
like
your
it.
hands. You got a sugar
I'm a
daddy.
liar.
Can you be my sugar daddy, please? Please, please be here. I need a sugar daddy, please. Come
Well,
back.
that's cool.
Come back.
Cute.
Yeah, of course.
Fuck you looking at?
I gotta get
I
up.
hope your time in Rec Room goes
You
out very
looking at-
plentiful.
Actually,
Yeah.
my bad. My bad for talking to you like
Oh,
that
I
fine
forgot
shit.
how to.
Oh, period.
Salutations,
What did you
Huz.
just fucking say to me?
Oh, you're taking these punches.
Oh, that's
You're
all you.
eating
That's
them
all
for
you.
dinner.
Get that. That's all
What's
you.
up?
So
Can I eat
What's
them
up?
for dinner? I'm hungry.
Huh?
Can I eat them
Huh?
for dinner? I'm hungry.
What are
Eat
you
what?
talking about?
Your punches.
Eat what?
Your punches.
He wants to eat
You
your
just
lips.
sound.
That is
No.
not what I would. That
Get
is
outta
not
here,
what I
bro,
was
for
saying.
real.
That was not what I was saying.
Because you just nasty.
Dude, that is not.
Nasty.
He's just lying to. He's just lying to on my behalf.
Lemon Pepperosa said he wanted to hammer your ussy earlier.
That is not what I
Yeah,
said.
get
I
outta
did
here
not,
for
I'm
real.
not the
You're
one who
being
said that.
nasty.
I did not
Among
say
Us.
that.
Once
That
we
did
get
not happen.
picture of me in the Among Us. Alright, word up. Word up.
Where did you come from? Give me the battery right now.
Word up. Here we go.
No, thank you.
Smile. Jeez. Wow, really?
I'm
Oh,
smiling.
dude, that's a great picture.
There we go.
Damn.
Hold on.
Yeah, I need
It's
one.
beautiful.
What's going on here?
It's
Oh,
beautiful.
yes,
No, you're good, bro.
Dude, that's kind of fire.
What's going on
This
here?
is
I'll
so
put
cute.
that picture up.
I need to take this.
Beautiful.
Can I? How do I keep this?
I don't think you can. Oh, wait.
That's
Take
really
a picture
upsetting.
of it with your camera.
How do I do that?
Can I
Oh, my
see?
camera's here.
Out of my way.
A little bit.
Hey, wait, who said that?
Face it a little.
Wait, how do I?
Stick it
It's
to the,
so loud.
Just put it on the wall.
You're ugly.
No, you're gonna do
disgusting.
something.
I'm gonna kill you. Give me
I'm gonna
$200.
show you how to get your camera.
Where's
Just
my
stick it to
friend?
the wall. He's
Oh,
right. The predator's right here.
he's not a predator.
Alright, now reach
I love
reach
that
behind you, like reach into your back. No, like over your shoulder. Now grab. Just fucking grab it.
I'm trying. I don't see it.
This is low key a banger.
Are you trying? You're trying to make me look. Oh.
What is this song?
He left.
Oh, he's gone. What's Siri up to? Where's Siri? Oh, Siri. That's not Siri.
Hey, Lemon. Hey,
Yes,
Lemon.
sir.
Lemon.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Do not drag on the joke. Oh, there's Siri.
That's not
Hey,
Siri.
Siri.
I am not Siri.
Alright. Hey,
Sounds
Alexa.
like Siri.
Hey, Alexa.
Yeah, I think that might be
Greetings,
Alexa.
Huz.
Wait, not you, Alexa. Fuck you.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Greetings, Huz.
I don't know
Alright,
how
hey,
to do
Google.
that. I don't even know how to take a camera
Google.
out, and you're trying. Where did the picture go?
Greetings,
Why
Huz.
is your head sideways?
You're a hoe.
Aw.
Friend,
That was
who's
Nobody
doing
Nobody
this to
wants
you?
robot girls, so
Yeah.
I'm going to
Friend,
run away.
You don't have to do
I have
this.
my
I
feelings,
swear
I-
this isn't you.
You took someone's BBC, you died, and came right back out the grave for
You
more.
took something from me.
Fucking soundboard is fucked up.
Wow, what I take?
My heart.
Friend,
Kinda.
why did you
joke.
post like
Bro, I
that?
wanna-
Who did this to
I wanna put you back in the grave where you belong.
I belong in a grave. I don't.
You really
Yes.
got violated.
Okay, so
like,
that's
for
just
Oh,
real.
I can see your, I can see your red
Your
dress.
headset on your floor.
Oh, it's GLaDOS.
We're in the worst
I
pose
understand.
possible, and then you just got violated.
What's
Hello
up,
there.
Who
GLaDOS?
got my picture? Oh, for real, I need it.
Turbo woman.
Was a night in shining.
Hey, am I a pumpkin? I am a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yes, you are a pumpkin.
Give me that.
You tell him, GLaDOS.
Jesus, you really do sound
I'm a
like
better
Fury.
pumpkin, though. I'm a better pumpkin.
Dude, that's such a
At least I'm not called GLaDOS for the 30th time.
can't.
Are you not
Nigga keeps
GLaDOS?
on fucking.
Wait, what is it?
I wish.
Are
However,
you
being
Cortona?
suspended in
Are you
air would probably be
Cortona?
very
No, she's
annoying.
Cortona! She's Cortona, that one person
No,
from my
Cortona's
Halo.
different,
I
idiot.
could have a.
You
No,
moron, you
no, he's
imbecile.
from Cortona.
Yeah.
No, he's from Hades.
I'm
He's from
confused.
Hades.
Stand
up.
Hold B.
I'll be back.
Go
I'll be
down.
back, String Bibble. I'll
And
be
then go
back.
down again. Like
I'll be
with
back
your
later.
joystick. Like, go
How
down.
the fuck can you finger like this?
Greetings, Huz.
Exactly.
Hey, back off, buddy.
Oh, my bad.
Am I can't do the voice?
I don't know English, so like, I don't know that big ass
Ready to
word.
be happy and laughing.
Hello, what
That's a
happened?
13-year-old.
What?
Get up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
I
put
was
your
talking
fucking
to you.
H right there. Oh, you were talking to
Bro,
me?
why is
Who?
your
Who?
friend tweeting
What you
like
want,
this?
fine shit? What you want, fine shit?
Why does he keep
I don't know.
posing like nastiest ways.
Yes, they populated the shit out of
I kind of want GLaDOS, not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's me for.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Cortona, can you send me a picture
She's
of
tracking, her headset is off,
Shrek?
so she kind of looks
What?
Put that
That's
on
a
my-
he, and that just makes it worse.
Cortona, can you put that as my wall? As my
Hi,
wallpaper?
Kratos.
not.
Yes, it is. Don't
Is
lie.
that oh, that's fucking creative.
Mr. Kratos to you, boy.
There's so many people.
Hi,
here.
Kratos.
No, it's just
No, it's not a guy.
sir,
If
not
if that's a guy,
not
then that's a
Mr.
guy.
Crit. It's just sir.
Oh goodness.
Just sir.
Hey, what's up?
Just
War
sir.
flashbacks imminent.
I gotta pay
Yeah,
for
I've been had
supply
this for
or
a while.
deadass?
My fault, bro.
What are you broke?
Yes, I
I'm in a new
am.
body zone. And G, I got it to the. I'm just on the knee. I keep a hoodie right.
Who's Kendrick Lamar?
No, get it, cause he's a rascal.
My Instagram.
Yes.
Oh, snap. I think it's okay. Hello? You kidding me?
Stop.
Something I can feel. Who's that hat you had on the other avatar?